Hello everyone, and welcome back to Teach Me Money Methods. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to copy and paste to make 100 per day. It's a really cool strategy. So stay tuned. I'm going to show you all the ins and outs, the details of this strategy so you can get going with this free method. It's a free method and it's very simple. And if you do it on a daily basis, it will continue to build and build up and increase your chances of getting sales online from digital products, right? But first, I have some really cool announcements to make on the channel. So let me open these up real quick right here. I'm going to grab all that. So thank you so much. The channel has reached 2,000 subscribers. You know, when I started off this channel, I didn't know where it would go, if I would ever even get 1,000 subscribers. But it's really cool to see that, you know, the channel's been up for a little over a year. And I've made 2,000 subs. I've gotten the channel is now monetized with YouTube partnership program. This happened about maybe 2 weeks ago. And so far looking at it, the CPM, the cost per mil, so basically that's cost per 1,000. This seems to be high in comparison to many other channels. So as it continues to unfold, I will share more about YouTube. You know, this channel is about making money online and all kinds of different strategies. I know I go heavy on Amazon KDP and the tutorials for low content. I've got a good following and I appreciate all of you. But I also make money in several different other ways. And so that's what makes my channel unique from all those other low content channels that you probably follow as well, is that my strategies to make money online, I don't just focus on KDP. I have a lot of other strategies. And so, YouTube is now becoming one of those, many strategies that I do have. And so as I continue to make money, start making money from YouTube, of course, I want to share that with you guys on the channel and share with you my journey, with making money with YouTube. So as I get more details and more information about how much money the channel's making, I will share that with you guys, just to help motivate you guys into if creating your own channel is something that you want to do in the future. But just in comparison, you know, I've had for a small channel, you know, 2,000 subscribers. I'm so grateful and thankful that I've reached 2,000 subs. It's amazing. I can't wait to see if I can get up to 5,000 and 10,000 subscribers, because you know, the money that the channel is bringing in now, even just from the YouTube monetization that's happened, it's been only about 15, 16 days now. You know, I've had, when you look at the CPMs, you know, I've had, over $11 days on like 500 views. So, you know, the channel doesn't get that many views. It fluctuates between about 400 views to 1,000 views per day. And to be able to pull in $8, $9, $10, $11 from that means that my CPM, I'm kind of estimating it. You won't get a full picture until you've been monetized for 28 days, and that's when they really give you your actual CPM number. But it's looking like it's falling around between $12 and maybe $18 of CPM, which is really good considering that, you know, a lot of other channels are getting under $10 of CPM. You know, you have your gaming niche channels and prank channels and those kind of channels that get a lot of views, millions of views, but they're only getting, you know, $1, $2, or $3 per CPM. Whereas my channel is getting, you know, not very many views and is actually able to bring in some pretty good money. So really cool stuff. Just wanted to again say just thank you so much for the 2,000 subs. Really awesome. I can't wait to just continue building the channel, and I really enjoy making these videos for you. So the next announcement real quick is going to be I will have a Black Friday sale. So my PLR Profits Academy course will go for the lowest price ever. So stay tuned for this. I don't know what the price will end up being, but it normally sells for $97. I have done a couple of coupons here and there, but stay tuned for that. That will come out probably the day before Thanksgiving, or maybe it'll last for 3 days. And so if you're interested, or if you've been interested in any of my how to make money from PLR content, I do have an exclusive 3-hour long course that that I will be putting that on sale. So stay tuned for that. So those are the announcements. Let's jump into today's money-making strategy. So there's the 2,000 subs. Really, really cool stuff. All right, so today's strategy, we are going to go over to this platform called Digistore24. And on Digistore24, I'm going to kind of zoom through or quickly go through this. I don't want this video to turn into be too long. So we're really going to go through quickly. Digistore24 is a platform that a lot like ClickBank. You can sign up. I just actually signed up a few moments ago before the video, and I was able to sign up and become an affiliate and get affiliate links and everything right away. So that's really cool that you don't have to go through this approval process before you can actually, and then them call you and verify a website. I've had times like that where I've become an affiliate. A lot of the cost per action, CPA type websites, they want to call and have an interview with you and all that. With Digistore24, it's a very simple process. So you just go to Digistore24, go over to the register button and register. And it works with almost every country out there, which is a really, really cool advantage, right? So you'll go in and this is what the back end will look like. Like I said, I just signed up for this account. There's D Mills, David Mills. And this is what they call the business cockpit. It'll show you your revenue and sales and all that on a daily basis, weekly basis, monthly, all that stuff, right? So it's your analytics page. And you know what makes this really stand out, and it is similar to ClickBank, but it has really, really high quality products on here, is that you don't have to get an approval for each product. Once you're approved to be affiliate, you can, so it's a very similar to ClickBank. This is and what I'm going to be showing you, it's a worldwide technique. Pretty much all countries can use this method and use Digistore24 to make this strategy work for them, right? And so what we'll do is we'll go over here and we'll go to the marketplace. We'll go to all offers on the affiliate marketing platform. And then you come over here and it is already automatically sorted by sales rank, which means that the top rated sales rank products are going to show up. And you can see that they probably do go through a pretty stringent check of your product. It has to be a very high quality product in order for them to approve it if you were a vendor, because they're only selling 227 digital products. Compared to ClickBank, which has thousands. And a lot of the products on ClickBank are trash, and it just overwhelms the website. And so you know that you're going to be promoting really good offers. Like this first one right here, Metacore, is the #1 product on the entire platform. And so, and then they even tell you it's killing it on Facebook and all that. You can go that direction, right? So you can go over to digital products. You can even sort by different category types over here. But just sorting out the digital products in general and sorting by sales rank. I don't know why this is a digital product, because that's actually a physical product. See if we click on digital products. Kind of interesting that it's showing up right there, but that's more of a physical product. But everything else right here is digital products. And so we'll come down here and you can actually check this one out, the second rated one. What stands out to me is that, you're getting a 93% commission on each front end sale, which is amazing. They're even telling you affiliates earned $300,000 last month. It's the Overnight Millionaire by Wesley Billion Dollar Virgin. That's obviously not his name, but it is, he has another product down here. So he has good products. Wesley Virgin is, not sure if that's his real name or not, but he certainly has, in the top 5 products over here, where he's got another one over here. So we're going to focus on this Overnight Millionaire one, because this is more of a manifestation, positivity, motivational type product, right? And so you can check out the offer by clicking on it. And you're going to, it's just motivation on how to become, a millionaire and things like that. It's a product, right? And so how we can actually sell this product, is we can actually use social media. We can come over here and see what other people are doing. Okay. So you can come over here to Instagram and look at some of these accounts, like Luxury Homes. They have 1.2 million followers. It shows how many posts they have, and they're only following under 300 people. And you can just see, look at here, they're getting thousands of likes on all of these images. And look at these. These aren't real. I mean, these are stock images. I mean, this person wasn't right here and took that photo, but they're uploading it and they're getting 6,000 likes and almost 200 comments on this, right? And so these are just look a lot like stock type images, right? And there's an unlimited amount of stock photos like this that you can get access to, that I'm going to show you in just a second. But what's really cool is, you could actually even use your phone and take pictures when you are out. And if you're vacationing, take as many photos as you can. And so you can put a mix of stock photos like this, but then also your own photos, which would make your account really unique. But just look at what they're doing. They're not doing anything crazy. They're just posting these types of photos, and they're getting a ton. Another one that is like this is only for luxury. They have almost 3 million followers, 8,000 posts. They're only following 86. And there's a picture of a watch that they just posted probably today. They posted it 3 hours ago. And you can get all their hashtags and all that stuff. And they're already getting 5,000 likes, posting something 3 hours ago, which is just insane. They can drop a link right here. Anytime they wanted to sell something, they can drop a link right here and they're going to get a crap load of visits. But look, I mean, some of these could be real photos and videos, but a lot of them are just pictures that they're finding online and reposting and stuff, right? And so what you can do is the double. So in order to get these some of these images, right, and start an account like this on Instagram, you can go over to Pexels. And if you go to Pexels and you type in luxury, look what ends up happening. You end up getting photos. There's 10,000 photos. There's 364 videos. So on the look at all these different images. There's a watch. Post the watch. Look at all of these luxury pools. And you can just do all kinds of really cool stuff, posting these images on your account. Just amazing images, really high quality images. And you can just post these and start your account, okay? And so if there's 10,000 photos just under the word luxury, let's do a little bit of some simple math here. So if you were to do just a measly 3 posts per day, right? So if you have if you had 365 days per year and you multiply that times 3, it equals 1,095. Well, if you take 10,000 divided by 1,000, right? So 10, 1, 2, 3 divided by 1, 1, 2, 3, 10, 1,000. You would have 10 years of posts, okay? 10 years of posts is just right here to get going, okay? So let's say you do 365 days a year times 10 posts a day. Every couple of hours you're posting something, right? So that's 365. So let's just call it 3,500. So you're going to take 10 grand and you're going to divide that by 3,500. You would still have 3 years of content ready to go, okay? So before you even have to start, you can start reposting at that time, but you're definitely going to be making money by that time, right? So really cool stuff. And then another thing that you can do with this method is you can come over here and you don't have to do the luxury type thing, homes or watches or, luxurious type thing like that. You can actually build accounts like this, manifestation positive. So they're just doing quotes on the same background and they're getting thousands of likes and comments. It's just insane. It's the same background with just quotes on it. So what they're doing, they have 1,300 posts. They have 55,000 followers. And you can tell they are kind of probably doing a following followers type method. You can click on the followers here and you can start following people right here. Okay. And just follow about 100 people a day, start building your account up. But look what they're doing. Manifestation positive, spreading higher vibes. They've got all this stuff right here. And then if you click on this bit.ly link, let's see what happens. It's taking you right over to an offer right here, which is a sales page that I believe is a ClickBank offer. Look at this. It's a ClickBank offer. So that's what these people are doing as well. I'm sure they're landing a couple sales per week with that volume. So really, in a nutshell, what you do with this method, right? With this method, you're going to get free images from Pexels or Pixabay, or any other stock-free, royalty-free website, right? You're going to have access to thousands of images like that. And then what you're going to do is you're going to create an Instagram account. You're going to sign up for Digistore 24, and you're going to pick an offer. The offer that we went through in this one will match really well with this. And then you're going to just start posting those images on Instagram and providing quality and quantity on your Instagram account. And just remember this, though, that this is a long-term strategy. It's not a get rich overnight type thing, which doesn't really exist anyways, right? But hard work will pay off. And if you put the time into this and you believe in it and you manifest this, then it can work for you. So I hope you enjoyed today's money making strategies. If you build an account and you're serious about this, you should be able to get to $100 a day, after maybe a couple months of doing this. Maybe sooner, maybe it'll take a little bit longer, but that's what my estimate would be. So a lot of people are doing this and it does work. So, if you're new to the channel, please hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on my next videos. I appreciate your time today. If you made it this far in the video, hit that like button, and until next time, take care.